Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an e-file on acrylic nails safely and effectively. Before we begin, remember that safety is paramount. Always wear eye protection to protect your eyes from flying dust. Sanitize your tools and the client's hands thoroughly. Choosing the right bit and maintaining a low to medium speed are crucial for a smooth, safe experience, preventing any discomfort or damage. Now, let's move on to shaping. A barrel-shaped bit is excellent for reducing the bulk of the acrylic. Hold your e-file parallel to the nail, ensuring even product removal. Work in small, controlled sections, moving the bit in one direction to create a smooth surface without any grooves. Remember to frequently check the nail's thickness to prevent overfiling and maintain its strength. Next, we'll perfect the cuticle area, which requires a delicate touch. Switch to a small, tapered bit and use a very light pressure with a slow speed. Gently push back any lifted cuticle, being extremely careful not to cut the skin. Finish by smoothing the entire nail surface with a fine grit sanding band. This ensures a uniform, flawless finish, preparing the nail for polish or top coat. Finally, proper maintenance of your e-file bits is essential for longevity and hygiene. After each use, clean your bits thoroughly to remove all acrylic dust. Disinfect them in an approved barbicide solution for 10 minutes, then rinse and dry. Store your bits in a clean, dry container. Remember to replace worn-out or dull bits promptly to ensure optimal performance and client safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.